Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to enter a gift code in Last Asylum Plague. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google Play Store or the App Store and download the game itself. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and enter a gift code in Last Asylum Plague. So first of all, what you need to do is go to the top left corner and tap on your profile. When you tap on your profile, in the bottom side of the screen we have record, account, settings, and rank. You need to go and click on the third one, which is settings. And then here again, when you click on settings, we have your settings in the game. So when you're there, if you have the gift codes, they will be here in the settings where you can of course go and find them. But sometimes of course they are not available, as you can see in some versions, as it is not in mine. But for that you can of course go and what you can do is go to the official redemption website, which is of course on Google, and do it there. So that is for Apple devices. On Android you will have it in the game itself, but you just need to go in there and log in and put in the code that you have. Of course you need to go and put the code exactly how you of course got it, so no changes in that. So that's basically that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So that will be everything, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Until then, as always, until next time, as always, bye guys.